Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 12 bedroom, 11 and a half bathroom, two-story, split level house for sale. It is located in Tripoli Drive in St. Anne and sits on half acre of land. It is a perfect opportunity for the person seeking to run their own villa or short-term rental business. On the ground floor are three bedrooms, including a grand primary suite with bathroom fit for a queen and king, plus an oversized walk-in closet. When you do come out of your bedroom, choose whether you go to the office, front patio, TV room with fireplace, living room, dining room, or rear patio, which flows into a fruited backyard. The kitchen is built for convenience and conversation while cooking, with tons of cabinet space and stainless steel appliances fit into a spacious alcove. The first floor has six bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, a huge living room and entertainment space, high vaulted timber ceiling with a skylight increasing the flow of natural light, and an inviting balcony which overlooks section of the community and teases with views of ships out at the sea. The split level below has separate living spaces, a one bedroom and a two bedroom, which can be occupied separately. The backyard has space for a swimming pool if you don't go to the private beach. This is ideal for an investment, Airbnb type property. Call today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 900,000, Jamaican 114.9 million, Canadian 1.28 million, Euro 826.6 thousand, or 699.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.